Welcome to Energy Technologies Vision 2035 Student Initiative website. This is an introductory video of what this initiative is about, how you can navigate through the website, and how you can contribute. We all know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is our former president. In his days, he thought of an initiative, Vision 2020. Goal of that initiative was to decide the future of different technologies of different sectors in 2020. Depending on the same goal, now the government of India has launched second initiative of such kind, that is Vision 2035. This initiative is under Technology Information Forecasting Assessment Council of Department of Science and Technology. There are various sectors like agriculture, information technology, energy technologies, and 11 others. Out of which, energy technology is headed by Professor Rangan Banerjee, Dean R&D IIT Bombay. So he and his committee thought that as the current students will be the leaders in 2035, it is very important to take their views of how they think 2035 should be. So he proposed that apart from preparing a report by the researchers only, students should also prepare a report and give us some feedback on how they feel should be the future of India in 2035. So this is what this initiative is about. Now let me show you the website and how you can navigate through it. As you can see on the current screen, this is our website, www.etvision2035.in. This is our home page. All the details about the initiative can be found out here. Now here, this is an introductory video to create awareness about the initiative in the general public. Hope you will like it. Now, as you can see on the title bar, there is a second menu known as the framework. Depending on the International Energy Agency standards, we have distributed energy technologies into 21 different groups based on demand, supply, and demand supply linkages. So as you can see, under supply we have 10 groups like coal, gas, oil, nuclear, etc. On the demand side we have residential, commercial, industrial, transportation, and then the supply demand matching. These are the 21 different parts of our framework. So what you can do is, you can either go to any specific group and contribute there, or you can continue navigation on the main website. Let me first take you to all other title bar menus, and then we'll go to a particular group and tell you what it is there. Now going to the blog. Here we will be publishing all the articles submitted by our group committee members and the participants of the initiatives. You can find here about what is going on in the energy sector of India and what people think should be the future of energy technologies according to them. You can also submit your articles at energytechievision2035@gmail.com. Now let us move on to post your vision page. This page is very important considering this initiative. It is mostly about capturing the people ideas and how they think it should be in 2035, the future of the energy technologies. So if you feel you can describe your idea in few sentences, you can just go to this page and post your vision here. Your idea will certainly get mentioned in the final report that we have to prepare. Going on to the resources page, you can find out a lot of information, a lot of reports, some videos uploaded about different energy sectors. Hope these reports will be of some use to you. Now on the contact us page, you can go to the team to see who all are currently the members of this initiative. This website shows different members of different groups who are currently participating in the initiative. We hope that a lot more people will join once we go public with the initiative. You can also join the team either as a group committee member or as an ambassador. A group committee member will have certain responsibilities regarding report writing and content writing. Ambassadors will be our representatives in their colleges to help grow this initiative and reach to as many people as we can. To know more about these responsibilities, you can go to the framework page and go to the guidelines here. These are the detailed guidelines of what we expect from group committee members and the ambassadors. All those students or youth experts who become a part of this initiative will be given a certificate by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India at the end of the initiative. Now let us move on to one particular group and show you how you can go and participate there. Now this is the sub page of coal group of energy technologies. You can find on the home page the introduction of about a particular sector. One of the group committee members has already made a video about the current scenario in the coal group. Now in the black code, what you can do is you can register here and then join our discussion forum. On the discussion forum there will be a lot more members who will be interested about discussing things of this particular technology. It will be very informative and we hope that you can contribute a great there. If you have any particular idea about this technology or this group, you can go to post your vision page and post your idea there. And similarly, if you have any queries, you can just write us a mail to coaletv2035@gmail.com and group committee members of that particular page will reply to you as soon as possible. This email ID is to make inquiries about the content only. If you have any administrative queries or if you want to join our group, just write to us at energytechvision2035@gmail.com. I'll just show you how you can find us. Click on the contact us page. You can either fill this form or write us at energytechvision2035@gmail.com. Moving back to the coal page, this is the articles column where different articles about this initiative of this particular group will be posted. You can post your vision from this page itself, and this is our discussion forum. It will be preferable that if you keep your Gmail open, you can directly join this group to post from here, and then you can continue reading the discussions here itself, or you can go to the Google group website itself and then join the discussion there. On the resources page, you will find reports and videos about this particular group, and this is the ETV website which will take you back to our main page. Thank you very much for patiently listening to this. I hope for a very enthusiastic and overwhelming response.